Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do another robot video. In today's video, we're going to review the Smonet Robotic Lawnmower. This one right here is priced under $1,000, which is insane. All the other lawnmowers that I've reviewed on this channel have all been $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Few factors when you consider those more expensive ones. They do larger yards, but if you have under a quarter of an acre, this is a perfect lawnmower for the budget-minded person. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox it. I'll show it to you. I'll talk about what kind of setups you need to do because the initial setup is most of the work. Once you've done that initial setup, it does all the work for you, and that's what the robotic lawnmower is all about. So let's unbox it, then I'll show you some scenes of it, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna do the unboxing now for this robotic lawnmower. I've done a few of these on the channel already. So they're very similar, but each one's just a little bit different. So I'll do my best. I'm not that familiar with this one, but I'll do my best to kind of explain it as I go along what each thing does. So when you first open it up, it looks like in this one, and I didn't even go through this yet. This is brand new to me. But it looks like it has a manual here. So you've got your little manual. So this is nice because this will kind of guide you through all of the steps, the setup steps. There's even pictures in here, which is really nice. I probably should have looked at this before I did the video, but I'm just going to do an overview and then I'll show it in action. But you do have the manual, so you're going to get that. Most robotic lawnmowers will also have one of these little sticks right here. Now this is a measuring stick. These are nice because you're going to put a boundary on this type of lawnmower. You set up a boundary. That way it doesn't go off into your neighbor's yard and you do their work for them. Or you don't lose it, go in the road, things like that. So you definitely want to put a boundary, especially if you have open fields. Like I have an open area here. I don't have fences or anything like that. So you have a measuring stick there. I'll have to cut this open and see what this is. Looks like some sort of a tool to set it up. Inside the box here also, fold that down so you can see it. I want to take a look at this lawnmower. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, this is actually a pretty good size lawnmower for the price. I was expecting a little dinky little thing considering that this is under $1,000, but let's get this thing out. Not too heavy either, so I'm able to lift it, so that's nice. There's a back thing to hold it up. There we go. It's got some good grip tires. You can kind of see that in the camera right here. It's got some pretty good grip tires, which is nice because if you've got a decent slope at your house, you should be able to handle it pretty good here. As you can see, this is brand new. It is still sealed. I haven't used it, so this is going to be a learning thing for me as well. But I'm going to do the full review on this, so I'm going to put it in action for you in today's video, and we'll take a look at all of the features. But this is pretty nice. So we'll take this off here, and you can kind of see the display a little bit. So you've got mow, on, off, and home. There's an app that comes with this as well, and then you've got your charging port right there. Looks like there's your back. This is the front of it right there. Pretty nice looking. So we'll definitely be taking a look at that. If you look at the undercarriage of this, you've got your little blades right here, which will have to be, look like they have to be tightened a little bit. You got your front wheels, which rotate around, and then these are stable wheels. So we'll look at that when we go out there riding it, but I want to get some close-up looks of this riding. I want to get this set up. So the setup process, like I mentioned, is going to have barriers. So let me set this on the ground. It's not very heavy. I'm actually quite surprised how light that is. Some of the other ones I reviewed, really heavy, guys. So that's nice because you can pick this thing up. So you got a long extension cable here, so this will get you power so you can get to your power port. Now what does need to be charged is the docking station. So this will be plugged into the docking station, which I'll put right here. And then when this is getting low on power, it just goes back to the docking station, charges itself, and continues on its path if need be, if it hasn't finished. And so that's the power, and then you've got your boundary wire, and they give a bunch here. This is 180 meter boundary wire. So I'm going to run this up and down on the side of the driveway so it doesn't go to the other yards that I have here. So I'll set up the boundary. So that's really the setup. It looks like it probably comes with some stakes, I imagine. Yeah, you've got some little screws here. You've got some stakes right here, all kinds of them. I love that they give you everything too. So these are the stakes. So I'm going to be staking in this boundary wire. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. off camera, and then that way I can just get right to the action on this, and then I'll talk about my thoughts on this. Again, I've done some high-end ones, so doing kind of a lower end, less expensive robotic lawnmower should be very interesting, because I want to know what features I'm losing by saving that money, if any, or if this is just an incredibly good deal. So let's look at the docking station here. So inside the box, which they have in here, really, really good. There we go. There we are. So this is the docking station. Now this is where it's going to dock itself. This is very light as well. You're definitely going to want to screw this down so it's stable, and it does come with those screws. So it'll actually tell you which one goes to the mowing and which one is the end side. So it is going to have to be a certain direction. And it actually has pictures of it right here, which shows it to you, and then it will dock itself. So let's look at it here. So outside the mowing area and inside the mowing area. So in this case, I've got my lawn right here, which I know it's kind of hard to see in the camera because I have the boxes here, but this side would be the road, this side would be the lawn, so I would want it this way, right on the edge, okay? And then you're gonna run that wire right through here. This is very common on these robotic lawnmowers, into the back right here. And so I'm gonna set all this up for you, and then I'll show it in the docking station, and then I'm gonna show it in action. I'm excited, but I'm gonna get this thing charged up. It does take a little while to charge up. I want a full charge because I want to get lots of footage for you guys, and then I will give you my final thoughts on this. Let's go. All right, so I got it set up right here. I went ahead and put the docking station really close to the driveway edge. And then I also ran it, and you can kind of see the line that I put in and spiked down in the grass. Now, this is a temporary space for me. I'm actually going to be using this on our backyard. So this is just for video purposes. It is kind of a temporary setup. I didn't have it lashed down quite as good as I probably would have and put more spikes in if this was my permanent location. So, but for the video, it'll be great. So here we go. And let's go ahead and power it on. First thing it asks for is a password. The default is always all zeros, so we're just gonna hit all zeros. All right, so there we go, 256. We're gonna go ahead and mow, and okay. That easy, guys, and it's starting to mow. There we go. It is the Smonet robotic lawnmower. It was a lot of fun to make this video because, well, the robot did all the work for me. I just sat there, drank water, and enjoyed the view because I tell you, the thing worked really, really good. It was actually quicker than I thought it would be. Usually budget mowers like this are just really dirt slow, but this one actually was pretty quick. It did this entire area right here. I would say, I don't know, maybe a 1,500 square foot area right here. And you can see, and it probably did it in like 20 minutes or so, and you can see the edge there where it stopped, how it's a little bit thicker, so you can see really nice lines. It makes good lines, clean cut. Actually quite impressed with this little guy right here. Again, this is only for about 1/4 acre. I actually have a 5-acre property here, so I'm going to be using some bigger robotic lawnmowers, but I intend to use them, guys, because these are going to save me so much time. I can do other videos for you guys, help videos, tutorials, plus I can check out more products. So I have more robot videos coming in the future, not just lawn, but also pool and many, many others on this channel. But this was, again, the Smonet robotic lawnmower. Really enjoyed making this video, guys. Any questions about that or where you can get it, I'll put the links down in the description section of this video. I do know that this is very, very popular and it is selling out. I think it sold out last night. They said they are restocking, so by the time I do this video and post this video for you guys, hopefully they have stock, but if not, make sure you turn on notifications so you can be notified when they do have stock. These things are selling so fast, especially this time of year, guys. The weather's great and people want the robot to do the work for you guys. The robot mowed my lawn. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again. Bye.